How to register GCB Trust. For access to login details, click Register, and the GCB Trust login page will be accessible. Now click Sign Up. The Sign Up page will appear. Then, as required, follow the directions below. First of all, select the profile type, whether personal or corporate, and insert the first name, last name, username, and email address. Next, validate the email address and set up a password. Next, confirm the password. Following that, select the security question and answer. Then, select Consent to process data and click Accept. After that, tick I agree to these terms and conditions, and click Sign Up. There will be a notification message. Continue by clicking on the button. Following the user information, a pop-up notice "Thank you for your sign-up request" shows. Following this, enter the date of birth, ID type, whether it's a passport, driver's license, or government-issued photo ID, and ID number. After that, enter the country of residence and citizenship, then click Continue to proceed. The message "Successful information was successfully saved" will appear. Please then provide the physical address. Address line 1, line 2, city, state/province/region, and zip/postal code are required. Next, select a country and then click Continue. The following message will appear: Success, information was successfully saved. The profile name and password will then be shown on the login page. The user must wait for the KYC to be approved by the administrator.